We are going to create a pattern today. I'll explain you a pattern. I'll share my screen. See here. And you'll have to do something after this. So be ready for that. So here I use the print command. As you know, the print command just puts the characters, whatever you write inside the print, that will be printed here. So if I do a star, it prints a star here. Okay. If I give a space, it will give a space, but we won't be able to see that space. See here, because there is no character after star, so you don't see the space exactly. If I want to create a new print, I can do that. Okay, I'll just copy this one to make it simple, faster for me as at present. Star. And now you see there is another star just adjacent to it. Now, if I want to bring the new star into a new line, what should I do? There is a command in text, new line. Simply put a new line in between and you are done. And now, what if I want to do this 10 times? I can use repeat. Repeat 10 times and it will print 10 stars. Okay? Good so far? Any question? No. Next. Star. Okay. Now, what I want is here I have one star. Then here I want 2 stars. In the second line, 2 stars. In third line, 3 star. Line number 4, 4 star. Line number 5, 5 star. That means the number of star in a particular line will be equal to the line number. Got it? What I want? Let's do that. So here, I want to make 1 star and then 2 stars. How will I increase? If one way is I put this here and then I keep writing like this. This is one way. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just add more lines and lines and lines and it will add more stars. There is one possibility, correct? But that's too much of work, no? Up to 10 line is fine. But what if I want 50 lines, 100 lines? Then it's just bad code. If we do it in that way, then it becomes bad code. Someone will know that you are not a good programmer. So you'll have to use some logic here. Now, what is logic? See, what's happening? The line number is equal to number of stars, isn't it? Yes. Line number is equal to number of stars. So here, see, line number is equal to number of stars. So somehow here, what happens if I put this back? If I put this repeat here and put everything again into repeat. Now the problem is I want to know which line number am I at present. Which line number am I at present? I want to know that. because then only I'll be able to decide how many stars should I print. Correct? Yes. So for that, we can use variable. Now, what's a variable? What's a variable? Variable is a space. Variable is a space where you can hold some value and you can change whenever required. Okay? If you want to go back, I'll share one link where we have discussed about what is variable in detail. Just go through that after the class and know what is a variable. Okay? So variable is a place where we can hold the value. So here I'll create the variable. Variable called, now line number is number of characters. So let's say line number. Line number is our variable. And first we will say that line number is how many, what will the first line number? It will be definitely 1. So to start with, line number 1. And then we have this repeat 10 times. And now here, this print. Now here we'll have this print. We'll have to tell the print that you'll have to print for how many times? How many times this print should go? The line number times, isn't it? If the line number is 3, it should print 3 times. If line number is 7, it should print 7 times. If line number is 45, it should print 45 times. Simple. So here I'll share my screen again and I'll tell this print neither 1 time, nor 2 time, nor 3 time. You just follow line number, and for that we'll put this here, one more repeat inside, and here the new line, and here instead of this 10 we'll tell it line number times print star line number times. Okay, and every a time when, okay, let's see what happens now. I'll press run. No, it's not working. Why it's not working? What do you think, Sia?
Sir, because this is happened because you set the line number to 1.
Yes, we set the line number to 1 and then we didn't change the line number. That's the problem. We'll have to change the line number every time. No, when there is a new line, we'll have to change the line number. So let's do that. And for that, we change line number by 1 every time. When there is a new line, we'll change the line number. And now, shall I press run button now? Yes. And it worked. So again, what we are doing is, we are using a variable line number and we are printing line number times. So this first loop, the first loop is to change the line and second loop is to change or to print the star. This loop changes the lines. So we have written here 10. So it will go up to 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? 10. And if I change here to 10 to 20, run. See this. And here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. Okay. So line number is number of star. Both are same. So we used one variable and we achieved this. Isn't it beautiful? Now, I want you to code this. Now, can you do one thing? Can you write a program that creates this kind of triangle, the right angle triangle, but instead of star, instead of star, it should print the numbers. How? Let me explain. I want the numbers to be printed like this. I want a triangle like this. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on up to 9. Because after 9 we'll have 2 digits, so again it will disturb the pattern. So up to 9, just do up to 9. And it's a coding challenge for you all. It's a coding challenge for you all. One hint, you will have to use another variable. Okay? You will have to create a second variable for this program. Open Havi code and start coding. See you all in the next class. Bye.